Hello friends, welcome back another video. I hope you are going good. This video I'll talk about Lady Kitty Spencer lifestyle and short biography. Lady Kitty Eleanor Spencer is a British fashion model and aristocrat. In 2018, Spencer became the spokesmodel for the Italian jewelry brand BVLGARI. She is the eldest child of Charles Spencer, 9th Earl Spencer, and a niece of Diana, Princess of Wales. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. Presenting Lady Kitty Spencer lifestyle and more info. So let's know in details about biography. Lady Kitty Spencer, she is a British model. Her full real name is Lady Kitty Eleanor Spencer. She was born on 28th of December 1990 and her birthplace London, United Kingdom. She is currently 29 years old as of 2020. She is a British by her nationality. She is a British fashion model by her profession. Lady Kitty Spencer is a British fashion model and aristocrat. She is the eldest daughter of Charles Spencer, 9th Earl Spencer, and his first wife Victoria Lockwood. She is engaged to Michael Lewis, 60, a South African-born millionaire. So let's know in details about education. Spencer studied psychology, politics and English literature at the University of Cape Town. She later studied art history and Italian in Florence, Italy, before completing master's degree in luxury brand management for the Europe Business School London at Regent University London. So let's know in details about family. Her father name is Charles Spencer and her mother name Victoria Aitken. Her partner Michael Lewis engaged 2020. In January 2020, Spencer announced her engagement to the 61-year-old South African British multimillionaire businessman Michael Lewis and chairman of the fashion company Factioni Group. Lewis is divorced with 3 children. Let's know in details about philanthropy and charity work. Spencer is an ambassador for Centrepoint, a charity that supports homeless youth, and a trustee and patron for the military charity Give Us Time. In June 2017, Spencer helped raise £140,000 for the Elton John AIDS Foundation. She also has raised funds for Save the Child. So let's know in details about facts. She first cousin with Prince William and Prince Harry. She was born in London but grew up in Cape Town. She is the eldest daughter of Charles Spencer, 9th Earl Spencer, and his first wife Victoria Lockwood. Lady Kitty's mother is a former model. Here she is in 1992, Hampers Bazaar UK magazine shoot with Lady Kitty. To escape public scrutiny, however, the family moved to South Africa in 1995. Cards. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates.